All right, we're about to dive into 24 creative ways you can make some serious money in 2026. Let's not waste any time. Let's just get right into it.
Okay, listen up. If you want to earn real money in 2026 without ever going back to an office, you're going to want to stick around for this.
So let's just be real for a second, right? The whole 9 to 5 grind, it's over. It's done. For so many of us, that old way of working is just completely broken.
And you probably feel it, don't you? That feeling of just being stuck. You're trapped in this routine. It's the same commute, the same desk, every single day.
This right here, this quote, it just nails it. When that daily grind doesn't excite you anymore, that's not just a bad week, That's a huge signal. It's a sign that you are ready for something completely different.
So, what's the fix? What's the solution here? Well, it's pretty simple. You stop building someone else's dream and you start building your own, online. We're talking about earning money from anywhere, anytime you want. And here are some of the best places to start. We've got print on demand, or POD, freelancing, affiliate marketing, and of course, e-commerce and dropshipping. Look, these aren't just some random ideas. These are proven, powerful ways to take back control of your financial life. Let's take print on demand, for example. The whole idea is just genius. You come up with a cool design, you sell it on a t-shirt, a mug, whatever, and some other company handles all the printing and shipping. The best part? You hold zero inventory. There's no risk. It's pretty much all upside. Now, get a load of this number. $1.5 trillion. That's what freelancers pulled in back in 2024. This isn't just some little side hustle anymore, okay? This is a massive global economic shift. And here's the thing you absolutely have to understand. You already have skills that people will pay for. Seriously. Whether it's writing, design, coding, or just being great at managing projects. Whatever you're good at, someone out there needs it, and it's ready to pay you for it. Right now. All right, let's shift gears. This next one is for all the creators out there, the hobbyists, the people who are experts in something. What if that thing you love doing for fun could actually pay your bills? It's time to turn that passion into actual paychecks. I mean, think about it. You could sell an online course teaching what you already know. You could finally start that YouTube channel you've been thinking about. Maybe sell your handmade stuff on a site like Etsy. Heck, you could even become a streamer and build a huge community. And if you're even thinking about teaching, look at this. The online learning market is projected to be worth over $1 trillion. That is insane. The demand for knowledge is just exploding. And you, my friend, have knowledge to share. So which way do you go? Let's quickly compare two of the big ones, YouTube and blogging. With YouTube, it's all about video, right? So it takes a bit more energy, maybe some equipment. Blogging, on the other hand, is all about the written word. Less gear, but you really got to get good at SEO. The bottom line? Both are incredible ways to build wealth. Okay, but what if you're thinking, I need cash, like now, not in a month, but this week? Forget online for a second. Let's talk about some local hustles that can get real cash in your pocket fast. Seriously, these are the kinds of things you could start tomorrow with practically no money down. Pet sitting, dog walking, flipping stuff you find at garage sales, even simple services like house cleaning or washing cars. This is all about pure hustle.
Okay, you've got to hear this one, because it sounds almost too good to be true, but it's not. Mystery shopping. Yeah, you heard me. Companies will literally pay you to go shop in their stores, eat at their restaurants, and just tell them how it was. And for anyone who loves the thrill of finding a good deal, you've got to know the Flippers formula. It's a classic for a reason. Step 1, find stuff that's way underpriced. Step 2, clean it up, fix it, make it look awesome. And Step 3, flip it for a nice fat profit on a site like Facebook Marketplace. So simple, but man, is it effective. So, after we've talked about all this stuff, the online empires, the passion projects, the local hustles, what's it all for? What's the real prize at the end of the day? Well, it really just boils down to two simple things: your freedom and your rules. First, and this is the big one, you get to be your own boss. No one's telling you when to show up or what you have to work on. You are in the driver's seat. You're in complete control. And then there's this. You get the freedom to work from, well, literally anywhere that has an internet connection. Your office is wherever you and your laptop happen to be. And all of this, it leads to the ultimate goal, right? True financial freedom. It's about building these different income streams that make your future secure, a future that you and only you get to design.
So, there you have it. We've laid out the entire roadmap. You've got the online empires, the passion projects, the quick cash local gigs. The paths are all right there in front of you. So really, there's only one question left to ask. What's your first step gonna be?